So what makes SANS instructors amazing and very unique for SANS is they're all still working in practice. They just love to talk about it. They're very passionate about teaching you.
I like the location. You also get a lot of real-world examples from the lecturers. Everything is well organized.
For training at SANS, the most important thing for me is the quality of information and the learning.
It was fun for me. It's just learning the commands, seeing actually the outcome, that things work, really, really gives you that motivation.
When you see people, the lights sort of go on in their eyes and they start to understand what you're talking about, that's what really pays off for me.
I already met 2 students from other SOCs in Germany, and yeah, we have the same challenges. So that's a very, very good thing about the event here.
Munich and Frankfurt are a great location for SANS trainings because it helps us get the community together. Mostly it's about collaborating and sharing information.